Nandito ako ngayon sa Santo Domingo Church as ang National Shrine of Our Lady of the Most Holy Rosary, La Naval de Manila. Tara! We are on our way going to Santo Domingo Church. So from Quezon City, we will take Quezon Avenue and we will be there. At nandito na nga tayo ngayon sa Santo Domingo Church or the National Shrine of Our Lady of the Most Holy Rosary, La Naval de Manila. Just a few stories about this church. This church used to be located in Intramuros. It even had a different architecture back then. But because of World War II, it was severely damaged and it transferred here in its present site in the 50s. Santo Domingo Church in Quezon City is one of the largest churches in Metro Manila and a national cultural treasure, serving as the mother house of the Dominican order in the Philippines. Their titular saint, of course, is Santo Domingo de Guzman, the founder of the Dominican congregation. Another devotion that they have is with Saint Martin de Porres. But the main devotion here is that for the Our Lady of the Most Holy Rosary, La Naval de Manila, with its annual October Festival, drawing thousands of devotees. Alam mo ba na maaari mong puntahan ang imahe ng Nuestra Señora del Santísimo Rosario, La Naval de Manila? All you have to do is to stand in line sa likod ng kanyang altar. May hagdanan doon patungo sa kanyang kamirin kung saan maaari kang magbesamanto. Paglabas mo ng simbahan ay makikita mo naman ng napakagandang tanawin ng kanyang courtyard. Dito niyo matatagpuan ang religious store at ang Museo de Santo Domingo at ang kandilaan kung saan ka maaaring magtulos ng kandila. Ang debosyon sa Nuestra Señora del Santísimo Rosario, La Naval de Manila ay nagmulan pa as early as 15 or 1600 at mula Intramuros hanggang sa pag-transfer dito sa Quezon City, marami pa ring mga deboto ang pumupunta, lalo na pagdating ng Oktubre kung kailan siniselebra ang kanyang kapistahan.